friends, welcome to Canada for Friends. In this video, we will learn daily conversation Canada, tea and meals. How to ask, let's go for a tea. Chahage hogona. Repeat with me. Chahage hogona. Friends, chahage hogona. It means friends, let's go for a tea. In order to ask, had a breakfast. Tindi aita. Say with me. Tindi aita. In order to ask, had lunch. Uta aita. In order to ask, had lunch. Uta aita. You can say with me. Uta aita. To ask, had dinner. Ratridu uta aita. Say with me. Ratridu uta aita. Now let's see the reply sentence. In order to say I drank tea, ನಾನು ಚಹ ಕುಡ್ದೆ. Say with me. ನಾನು ಚಹ ಕುಡ್ದೆ. In order to ask, did you have tea? ನೀವು ಚಹ ಕುಡಿದ್ರ. Say with me. ನೀವು ಚಹ ಕುಡಿದ್ರ. In order to say yes, ಹೌದು. For example, ಹೌದು ಚಹ ಕುಡ್ದೆ. Yes, I had a tea. Say with me. Yes, ಹೌದು. In order to say no, ಇಲ್ಲ. For example, ಇಲ್ಲ ಚಹ ಕುಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. Say with me. ನಾನು ಚಹ ಕುಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. I did not drink tea. Let's see the few sentences which you can use in the hotel or restaurant. Let's see how we can ask one plate idli vada. ಒಂದು plate idli vada kodi. Kodi means give. Say with me. Kodi means give. Say with me. ಒಂದು plate idli vada kodi. Ask one dosa means ಒಂದು ದೋಸೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಒಂದು means one. Dosa kodi. Say with me. ಒಂದು ದೋಸೆ ಕೊಡಿ. You can use like ಒಂದು dash kodi. In that dash you can fill anything like ಒಂದು coffee kodi. ಒಂದು tea kodi. Now let's recap what we have learned today. So how to ask, let's go for a tea. ಚಹಾಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Say with me. ಚಹಾಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. How to ask, had a breakfast. ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Say with me. ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. To reply, yes, ಹೌದು, no, ಇಲ್ಲ. So how to order the food. ಒಂದು ದೋಸಾ ಕೊಡಿ. ಒಂದು ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Use this sentence daily so you can start a small Kannada conversation. Started this Kannada for friends in order to help the non-Kannada people. Share this with non-Kannada people so they can speak in Kannada with their Kannada friends like a pro. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.